Manga mom, manga mom, manga mom, manga mom. Happy New Year, everybody!
What are you gonna do today?
I'm going to do how to draw the face.
Let's go!
The easiest way is make circle face with a dotty eyes like Hello Kitty. And next stage, you make the dotty eyes but bigger. And eyebrows too. Next stage, you make little expression by putting the line on top of the eyeballs. Make a little space. Already looks like manga. And next stage, you make bottom lines under the eyeballs. It should be attached to the eyeballs. And now it looks more cartoon-like. Then now I play with her hair. The easiest hair is make lines like that and helmet shape on the top. The head width should be bigger than face. Then make lines inside. You can make any hairstyle. You can do any hairstyle. I'm just doing the bob hair now. You can make braids or ponytail or whatever you like. Then after that, I make bit oval face with a white spot on the eyes. That makes eye look shiny, and stroke down the pencil to make a line of the bangs. See, it looks very shiny now. It's very manga now. Hairstyle, you can do anything. Just try many hairstyle as you like. And I make the chin pointy, that makes more like girlish. Now I make the chin from beginning pointy and make the expression on the eyes. So she's now looking towards the left side. See? You feel more expression on the face. Hairstyle, you try many different hairstyles as you like. And face and head is almost half and half here, but head is a little shorter than face. And now I make another expression on the eyes. I make her looking up. So next girl looking the left, and this girl's looking up. And I add a little more shiny white line. See, her eyes looks more shiny than next girl. And I made a different expression on the mouth. So she looks like she's thinking or telling something with a bit shy face. And eye shape to make pointy chin because it looks feminine and cute. Okay, then circle face with the dotty eyes, bigger dotty eyes. Make something on the top to make expression, and also bottom line too under the eyeballs. And I shape the chin and make a white spot on the eyes so eyes looks more shiny. And after that, pointy chin and make an expression on the eyes. She's looking left side. Or you can push the eyeballs up and make looking up face with a different mouth.
It looks nice.
So we practice like that. So when you get used to drawing, you can do freely like me. So best way, you do simple ones and slowly shift to the complicated versions. Then also another method to be better cartoonist is to make your favorite character. Like you have a favorite manga, right? Or anime, then keep copying them. Copy is the best method. When I was a child, I copy a lot. All the cartoon character I like, I master it. Then I keep drawing all the time. Keep drawing. Good luck.
Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time. Happy New Year!